Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can check latitude and longitude on Google Maps. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So if you have any query, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps and then go to Explorer. And then now what you need to do is just go to a random location like this. So let me just go with this one and press and hold over here, and then just scroll it up, and over here you can see this is your latitude and longitude of particular location that you have pinned. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.